Okay, so here's my code that I added on my web store editor, and I'll just it's already in my path, so I'll just node server.js, and then you're gonna run, and I added the login HTML things in the console.log, and let's go to the localhost, then just go to index. So here's my the colors and all those kind of things from my CSS style was in the head tag in it, and you can see I changed it to red and the purple for hello world and green for down below. Then let's go to login. So here's the user ID and here's the password. I just randomly um, put 1 2 in it and then submit. You're gonna show thanks for your request, and all here is like the post method and the get method and those stuff in my console, and that's pretty much it.